So guys, I got good news. I finally got my transmission back. I went over to the transmission guy yesterday to take a look and see like the progress that was going on, and he was assembling it as I was walking in. So literally I just sticked around for like another hour and I got my tranny. I picked it up yesterday and I dropped it off at the garage. Here she is in all of her glory. So everything's back together. She does shift. Hopefully when it goes into the car it still works. So I'm gonna go get set up over here, set some lights up under the car. As you can see, it's already getting dark out. I'm gonna set up the lights and try to see if I can put this thing up by myself. I don't know how that's gonna go, but stay tuned. Hopefully I don't get crushed. Alright guys, I'm gonna be installing the clutch sleeve. It's an internal hydraulic sleeve. I probably should have replaced this thing. It feels good, but yeah, gonna have to work. Yeah guys, so that is the clutch that I'm running. It is an ACT single disc. It is the strongest clutch, the strongest single disc that ACT offers for this swap. I think this pressure plate is considered a truck puller pressure plate. I'm not exactly sure. It's been in there for a year and it's been working really awesome. This is the first clutch I've actually put in this car and it did not slip, so I will give it a thumbs up. So I gotta figure out how to get the transmission on top of the jack now, and that should be fun. Alright guys, so I just finished up putting the tranny in. I got the dry shaft and shifter and all of it done. My boy over here, Dane, helped me blend the clutch, so all of that stuff is done. This is where I'm gonna end this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna come over here, pour some oil into the transmission, and hopefully we can take it for a spin. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and peace.